on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course, and we're still working on our Gemini Pro Vision model. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. And I did inform you that I was going to try to run everything inside of my Google Colab notebook. Let me get and find it. So this is what we have tonight. So I did go ahead and start running those installs. You can see I got my Google Generative AI installed. The next one was the python.env, which I probably didn't need because we're not working inside of an environment per se. We're not working inside the environment over in Jupyter Notebook and all that stuff. So I'm probably didn't even need that, but whatever, it was a part of the code, so I just brought it over, did it anyway. The install Streamlit, you see we got that successfully downloaded. Then we started doing our imports. You can see all of the imports came through. Everything worked with that. And then every piece of code worked. Nothing was depreciated or deprecated. Everything is up to date and everything worked right off the bat. Now the issue is going to come where we have to run this Streamlit, because the code works. It's just we're not displaying anything because it's not written to display on its own. The way he had it written, he wrote it inside of the environment, and then he ran the Streamlit from the command line. So that's how he was able to access his URL. So yeah, this Streamlit wasn't a part of the actual code. I added this to see if we can run it from here, and as you can see, it is attempting to run, but the file does not exist, app.py. That's because I put everything from app.py over here in the actual cells here. So it's not reading an actual file, but all of the files are here. So I'm not sure how we're going to actually implement the Streamlit to make this run so we can host it on a URL or host it on a website and have people visit it. So yeah, everything is working. It's just figuring out how this Streamlit is going to actually help us get our model up on the website so we can start using it. Now, on a side note, I actually used this here, so you can see here this invalid value file does not exist, app.py. What does it say? Oh yeah, so just try Streamlit run for help. So I tried that just to tinker around with it and see, what it says, just to read through the documentation. I know it wasn't really going to offer anything spectacular, but just reading through the documentation, I got all the way down here to the bottom. Now I see this secrets.files text. So it's a list of locations where secrets are searched. An entry can be a path to a TOML file or a directory path where Kubernetes style secrets are saved. Order is important. Import is first to last, so secrets in later files will take precedence over earlier ones. Now that's pretty interesting to have that in a Streamlit application. This is the application for hosting websites. Why would you have a secrets.files text inside of the help application? But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I just spun off in a la la land, trying to figure out how I'm going to get this Streamlit to work. So yeah, back to the matter at hand. That's where we're at with everything. All of the code is working. Nothing is deprecated. Everything is up to date. So now we just have to figure out how we're going to get the Streamlit in the Google Colab so we can actually host the website and get our model over there so you guys can maybe try it out for yourselves. But I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.